Welcome back to Microscopic Galaxy channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of mitosis. Mitosis is a fundamental process that underpins the growth, development, and maintenance of all multicellular organisms. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what mitosis is, how it works, and its critical role in biology. What is mitosis? Mitosis is a tightly regulated and highly orchestrated process of cell division. It's a fundamental aspect of the cell cycle, during which a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells. This process ensures that an organism's cells can replenish damaged or dead cells and is essential for growth and tissue repair. The phases of mitosis. Mitosis consists of several distinct and fascinating phases, each with its unique characteristics. Interphase. Cell prepares for division. DNA replication occurs, creating sister chromatids. Prophase. Chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes. The nuclear envelope dissolves, freeing the chromosomes. Meiotic spindle fibers begin to form, extending from the centrosomes, which are microtubule organizing centers. Metaphase. Chromosomes align at the cell's equator, called the metaphase plate. The alignment is crucial to ensure that each daughter cell receives an identical set of genetic information. Spindle fibers, which are composed of microtubules, attach to the centromeres of each chromosome. Anaphase. In this phase, the centromeres is split, allowing the sister chromatids to be pulled apart towards opposite poles of the cell. It's a breathtaking moment as the chromosomes are segregated, ensuring each daughter cell will have a full set of chromosomes. Telophase. Chromatids have successfully migrated to the opposite poles of the cell. New nuclear envelopes form around the separated chromosomes, re-establishing the two distinct nuclei. Cytokinesis often begins in parallel, while the cell membrane starts pinching in to separate the cell into two individual daughter cells. Cytokinesis. This is the final act of the cell division. The cell membrane continues to pinch in, dividing the cell into two. Each daughter cell is genetically identical to the original cell, containing a full set of chromosomes, and is ready to carry out its specific functions in the organism. The importance of mitosis. Mitosis is not just a visually stunning process, it is crucial for a variety of biological processes, including growth. It enables an organism to increase in size as cells divide and multiply. Tissue repair. After injuries, mitosis helps replace damaged or dead cells, ensuring a swift recovery. Development. During embryonic development, mitosis is responsible for creating the complex structures and organs of an organism, each with its unique set of cells. Maintenance. Regular cell turnover in various tissues keeps them healthy and functional, vital for an organism's longevity. Mitosis is a remarkable biological process, both visually captivating and functionally essential. Its precision and complexity ensure that genetic information is faithfully passed from one generation of cells to the next. As we've seen, mitosis involves a series of precisely choreographed steps, each critical to the creation of two identical daughter cells. The next time you look at a living organism, remember that beneath the surface, mitosis is at work, ensuring life's continuity and diversity. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content about the world of biology and science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.